Alright, what's up guys? So today we did take an L. It's all good though, just the setup didn't play out today and it's okay. The strategy has a big win rate, so I'm not worried. I just have to follow my rules and everything will be alright. And before I start, I want to say thank you guys. We just got 11 subscribers. Slowly, we're growing up, so growing the channel, yeah. So that's nice, thank you guys for following me on my journey, and yeah, it means a lot. So yeah, let's start. So today, setup didn't play out, but I want to show you guys something and I want your guys' opinion. Alright, so it's about gaps. So lines, we know that lines, we need confirmation of rejection and then we can enter on the other candle, right? But today, this is something that happened 2 times already from me trading. So past week, I don't remember what dates, but I think it's like 6th March or something. We had the same thing. So here, I'll just explain. So everything looks good. 4 hour, we had this gap right there. And this right there, 2, 6, yep. 1 hour, adjusted. So this is right there. And this would be right there. 6, 9, 7, 8, 9, yeah. So here, I'll show you guys the trade that I took, which led me to an L. And I'll show you guys the good trade that I'm gonna have to backtest to see, okay? Or yeah, here, let's just start. So the trade that I took is right there. We've seen this line getting broken by 9:30. I'm still waiting for any confirmation, anything. 9:35 did this, so I'm just like, okay, it's pretty close. I'll just take it next candle. Next candle, I ended up entering, getting stopped out. And as you guys can see, price ended up doing what I said it was gonna do. So the setup ended up getting played out, but I got stopped out, so no other trade, no nothing. You guys could have had around 3.7 RR, so that's nice. And yeah, that's basically, it just kept dropping and dropping, huh? Yeah. So now the trade, I could have just avoided this loss and everything, is this gap right there. So this is the 1 hour, right? So 4 hour was in general, 1 hour more refined, 5 minute, if we can, we do it right there. Perfect. As we can see, 820 ended up filling this gap, and I would even say ended up, this is Asia low, so filling up Asia low and then rejecting, right? So from there, me normally I look for confirmation after 9. So 9:10 we got our confirmation. I'm waiting for another candle to form so I can enter, right? Which never end up happening. But now what I'm thinking is, since 8:20 we had this drop, what could have been done is we just wait for another candle to enter and we can take the trade. Why? Because this is a clean rejection. Normally, when we have gap that we mark, like there's other candle, here, let me get the pencil. Normally there's other candle that just are in between this and it's not clean, right? But this one was very, very clean. I mean, if you want to remove this gray zone, like imagine it's not here. We got this gap filled, rejection, and from there we just wait for another entry, right? So there's 2 things that can happen though after 9. This, I call this an aggressive entry, and there's a safe entry. Safe entry, we wait for confirmation and everything plays out like normally. But you can miss this beautiful trade like today. But if we take an aggressive trade, yes, we can catch it. So let's say for the gap, I just wait for 1 candle, right? Since we already got this confirmation. So I wait, once I see it rejecting, I enter, right? But in the market, you know, it's moving, so you guys have to see how it's gonna affect. So what I mean is, we got confirmation right there. I was waiting right there and then enter right there or right there. Doesn't matter. Stop loss is protecting everything. From there, this is aggressive entry since we got no confirmation after 9. But from there, it ends up playing out and, you know, you can't catch 6 RR or just your 1 to 2. But it's risky because maybe it's just going to go in deeper into your stop loss and then you stop out, you know? It all depends. But what I'm thinking is I'll have to backtest this more or just gain more experience in trading live with it, you know? What I'm thinking, we get a clean rejection. There's no in-between candles. So for me, this is clean, okay? And we basically got 2 confirmation. This low got hit, this gap got filled. So from there, really, I should have took this trade right there, which I'll be careful for next time. I was playing it safe, you know, so waiting for another confirmation. Yeah, so that was the trade for today. Good trade, I guess, here. Good trade. I ended up getting stopped out though, and yeah. Market just kept shitting. Tomorrow, what do we have? News at 10. So we'll see. So yeah, I mean, for lines, black lines that I mark, I need confirmation for sure, because I can't just enter like that. That's for sure. But for gaps, would I be just able to enter right away? Because gaps, when they get filled, if I want to play it safe, yes, I'll wait for confirmation. But if I want confirmation before 9, since there's no in-between candles, I might just start taking those types of trade, okay? So I know last week, like I said, we had a similar situation. I just don't remember when. Here, let me just check something real quick. Okay, yeah, I don't know. But yeah, I'll definitely be careful for where is it? Yeah, for those types of gaps setups. And yeah, thank you guys for watching the video, and I'll be trading tomorrow. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.